Ulit glowing. Suklayan. Pagod na si Duo.
Oh yeah, I give up. Lagay mo sa wings. Ang doon, suga aja. Nan. Ah, one more time. Suga aja. Easy. Naigyan niya. Naigyan niya. Aigo, kacha. Hi guys. Okay, so today is the camera's not here. Okay, so today is August 18, 2012. I'm here at work. Actually, it's a Saturday and we have a makeup classes today, so you know it's a bit different because we're the only ones here at work, but we're still, you know, the same routine as ever. I got a big surprise today when I checked my email. Let me show this to you. Let me just get my... Let me just go to my email and then I'm gonna show you what surprised me today. So yeah. Okay, so this is the message. This is the thing that surprised me when I woke up and I checked my email. And it's a comment from a certain YouTuber, and you know, this person is basically ridiculing my work in the 500 peso makeup challenge. I admit, like, the pigmentation of my eyeshadow in that challenge was not that pigmented in the video, but it was quite pigmented on the pictures. I rarely edit my pictures, so I think it's just that I didn't put that much in my lids that time to be seen on camera. So yeah, why do I need to say those? But I would just like to say them to you girls. Like, I'm still starting out in doing these kinds of tutorials in these challenges, so you know, don't judge me yet because I'm not really an expert in makeup. So you know, this person right here is not in the capacity to judge me, because basically, like, this person doesn't even have videos on his, her, or its channel. Yeah, but I've already deleted this comment on that video, and I've also blocked this person. That's actually what I do now. But I would just like to make this clear. I would just like to make this clear to everyone that will judge me and my future works, like my future tutorials or whatsoever. I know to myself that I'm not an expert, so don't give high expectations of my job or of my YouTube videos, because I'm just doing them for fun. I'm not getting paid. I'm not a YouTube partner, so I'm not getting paid to do these things. So don't tell me that my work is ugly, because I'm doing it just for fun. I'm not doing it to be I'm not doing it to get money from it, basically. So to whoever is going to judge me if you have the right and the capacity to do so. Like, if you're a videographer, if you're a YouTube expert, if you're a guru, I'll give you all the right in the world. But if you're just like me, if you're just like somebody that wants to share what they know, share their passion, I suggest you just shut up. Like, basically, if I see a bad tutorial, I don't really comment. I just watch it and then I go to the next video. But if I like the video, I will like it, I will share it to my friends, I will blog about it most probably. So yeah, so I don't really like it when people judge me because they don't personally know me. That's it. Yeah, well, that escalated, so that quickly escalated. Soge aja, gawa ni. Soge aja.
Nani did you what you do?
Yeah.
Nani did you?
Ano? Soge aja. Soge aja gawa ni. Soge aja. Ano? 안 돼요, 안 돼요. 안 돼요, 도원이. 안 돼요, 도원이. 어디요. 네, 도원아. 안녕하세요. 나는 도원입니다. 나는 선생님 만절입니다. 안 돼요.
앵글버드 한테 죽었다는
Nona Christine, no? Nona Christine. Oh, Chloe. Andeo. Hey girls, okay, so I'm back. So remember, a couple of clips ago, I received this hater message. I actually deleted it from my Facebook, from my YouTube channel or my YouTube video. This is the response I'm gonna give her or him or whatever. It's kind of long, and I actually asked my office mate if, you know, this is enough, like this is appropriate, because I don't want to be offensive or anything. So yeah, that's nice. Post. Okay, so I'm just gonna read to you guys the whole thing. Thank you for visiting my channel. Sana before you judge someone's video, kumuha ka muna ng sayo and let other people judge you. I am not offended by what you said on that comment, but I think it's just too much. Don't think too highly of yourself because you are hiding under that username. If you like to express your opinion so much, why not do a video response about it? That would be so much easier if you ask me. I know when to shut up and when to say what I think, and this is what I am doing now. If you are so courageous with your opinions of people, I suggest you make this channel a commentary channel. You might get recognition for it. Good luck with your life. Yeah, I'm kinda ruthless with this stuff, so yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go down in a while, so I'm just gonna post this on his channel, or her channel, or its channel, and then I'm gonna buy something downstairs. I forgot to buy dinner. Yeah. Hey guys, okay, so it's 10:02 p.m. already, and I'm done with work. I'm just waiting for some uploads, some files to be uploaded. Yeah, so like the whole duration of this vlog was, I don't know what to say, because I'm not feeling okay. Like if you can see, like I have like my under eye is more visible, and I'm wearing concealer actually. So when I'm sick, I'm like this, and I feel so hot. Like whenever I touch my cheeks, it just feels so hot, and you know, I don't feel good. So yeah, then my voice has changed, so I kind of sound like a guy right now. Okay, so I have to go. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you have any questions about it, please go on the down bar, and I'll talk to you guys next time, okay?